What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there? And before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, share, and comment, and hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in them comments. Gang, gang. And before you watch this video, add me on them social medias, Instagram, SgmCashoutKing. You know what I mean? Y'all already watching me on YouTube. The Snap's not on here, but add me on the Snap, same name. Like I said, the Facebook like page is not SgmCashoutKing. I mean, it's not SgmCashoutKing. They deleted it, or they suspended it, whatever. So if you're interested in the real business, if you're 18 or over, U.S. or Canada resident only, yeah, sorry I had to be like that, but I don't make the rules. Add me on here and like the page. Like I said, I do a lot of motivational quotes. So if you're having a bad day, you're down, you need some motivation to start grinding, come to the page, you know what I'm saying? Like the page. Like I said, here's an example right here, of what I put up. And also, like I said, I'll show you the opportunity on here. You can just inbox me. Like I said, if you're 18 and up and in Canada, US, and then I'll share the information with you. Like I said, because like I said, it's all dandy. We do apps, websites and all that, but end of the day, we want to get to the bigger goal for 2018. So you got to, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know y'all want serious money in your pocket on a weekly basis. So you got to do something else. You know what I mean? Getting extra cash is good, but it's not about just extra cash. It's about building an enterprise. You know what I mean? At the end of the day. So that's what we're trying to do. But for right now, this video is about a website called Prize Rebel. Some of you heard of it, some of you haven't, but here it is. It's Prize Rebel, as you can see. This is the survey partners that they have on here. This is the main one. You go to your surveys, Daily Gold, Tap, Say So For Good, Peanut Labs, Market Cube, et cetera, et cetera. There's a bunch of them right there you can go to. I'm gonna give you an example. Like I said, these are other ways to earn right here. As you can see on the screen, excuse me. I got an app on Engage Me on my Android that I'll end up linking up together. So you can try to link up stuff together. I watch videos on Engage Me on my phone. I let them run, and I guess you could transfer over the points over here. So it's instead of doing the surveys, but you can do the surveys and that at the same time, like I said. But what I do on there transfers over to here, so it's a win-win for me at the end of the day. So let me show you other rewards you can get. I'm gonna click right here on top of here, rewards. Give me 1 second. See the rewards. Reward history, testimonials. So let's go to testimonials. You can do testimonials on here. As you can see, the testimonials of other people actually earning on here. Let's go to earn right here. See surveys, offer walls. This right here, daily points, video wall, engagement videos, and tasks. Like I said, the wall we was on was surveys. So let's go to the offer walls right here. This is other ways you can earn on the offer wall. As you can see right here. Let's just say you sign up for Hula right here for free. If you don't have a Hula account, you know what I'm saying, you get 429 points. Read the details for anything that you do on here. You know what I'm saying? Like Deal and Dash, 600 points, etc. Let's go to another, let's go to video wall. See the video wall right here. Like I said, I got Engage Me app, Engage Me. I guess, like I said, I don't know if they got it for Apple, but I just know they got it for for Android market. Period. Download the app. I'm saying you could, run the videos, the ads on there, and you link it up together so where you can transfer. You can use the same points over here as well. That's one of my strategies that I use. Like I said, so. You can do a bunch of like all these right here, plus what I just told you to earn points. And also, invite your friends right here, refer a friend. Like I said, my link is right here. That link will be in the description below. Make easy money by earning 25% referral points from anyone that you refer. No caps. Like I said, simple as that. Do the tasks I told you. This is a great website. Like I said, by the way, it's one of the easiest ones that I ever used. So like I said, I know a lot of people hate surveys, but it's one of the quickest survey sites I've ever been on, and I'm on a bunch of them. This would be the main one. If I'm going to use it, it's going to be the number one I'm going to use. So like I said, that's another way where you can earn points besides what I told you. Let's get to the rewards because I don't even want to hold you up that long. Like I said, here are the rewards. Right here, you got Amazon, you got PayPal, you got Adidas, You got Google right there. You got a bunch of stuff on here. GameStop, Starbucks, Best Buy. Like I said, I didn't use some before, Domino's. And the list goes on and on. You can just scroll through it yourself. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna cash out real quick since I got a few points right here, 1101. So I'm gonna go to PayPal. I just want to show y'all that it does pay out. So I'm just gonna claim. Let me put what I want to claim right here. Hold on. I almost did something I didn't want to do. I forgot to put custom. Let me go back. I definitely just didn't want to do that, but I want to do a custom because I want to do more than 5. So I got more than 500 points. Here we go down here. Matter of fact, I could just do this instead of doing the custom because it's already here for 1,000 points or whatever. So yeah, so I'm gonna claim this right now. Claim this item. You know what I mean? So you could right here, once you claim the item, it's gonna ask you for if you have a Duola account. I'm assuming that's like international or something, or your PayPal. So I'm gonna put my PayPal right here. As you can see it live on the screen. For those who never cashed out before and wondering if you could get paid, I'm gonna put it right here. .com. All right, that's my PayPal email. Press update. I'm gonna let that update real quick. It says, are you sure you want to claim this prize? Okay. So I claimed it already, so all right. Your PayPal reward will process in 24 hours if you are gold. And this isn't your first PayPal reward, you will receive it in less than an hour. So like I said, if you received the reward before, you already know you'll get it in less than an hour. If it's your first time and you're not a gold member, then it's gonna take at least a day, which is nothing. Close this up. And that's it, it's that simple. Like I said, see the payment right there, January 17th, which is today. Let me show y'all right here real quick on my other phone. January 17th right there. So like I said, the payment is pending. So I'll be getting in 24 hours, like I said, whatever. You'll be getting $10 right there. So I'll be back when I drop it. But as a matter of fact, before I do that, let me show you. Remember I told y'all, like I said, I like to invest in the channel because I want to bring y'all more better quality. Like I said, you know, you can start, if you're doing a YouTube channel, you can start off with your phone. You got to start off with what you got. Eventually, as you make money, you know what I'm saying, you can upgrade to things. As you can see that I have bought the GoPro, as you can see, Hero 6. I've been testing it out. Like I said, I didn't have the SIM card that was compatible with it. So the 128 gig that I had already wasn't working. It don't work. You need a SIM card to even use it. So I found a 4 gig one that I had laying around. It worked, but I can barely do anything with 4 gigs. But at the end of the day, I tested it out, and it has that fish eye look. If you're you're looking through a peephole look. I don't think it's the best quality for what I'm trying to do right here with the channel. So like I said, I was going to return it. I paid $600 with that and accessories. I was going to return it, but instead, I decided to keep it. I'm starting other channels, like a car channel, a vlogging channel. So I'm going to keep it. I'm going to use it for stuff like that. So let me scoot this to the side. Like I said, I just spent $600 on this little camera right here and accessories. So I know you see this box right here. So like I said, this just came in just now. So I invested another $600 on another camera. So I'm going to unbox it with y'all right now. Like I said, you gotta sometimes put into your investments to get more out of it. You can't think about it right now. So let me put this down real quick. So I only got one hand. Put this down real quick while I open this box. Like I said, you gotta make investments sometimes, man. Like I said, this is only gonna make me thousands or more dollars by me investing into the channel. Like I said, I feel like I deserve it. Like I told y'all before when I first uploaded that I bought this GoPro, I was gonna wait till I got to 10,000 subscribers, but like why wait? You know, I feel like y'all deserve it. Look, and I gave y'all 2 cameras before I even hit 10,000. You know what I mean? Because I want to bring y'all the best quality, like I said. So let me open this up all the way. You see? Scoop this to the side. And I'm unboxing this with y'all right here for the first time. And Like I said, as you can see what I got right here, I got the G7X Mark II. This is one of the best vlogging cameras out, and it's a popular camera besides the GoPro. So I'm gonna have both of them. As you can see, what I'm investing into my channel, and investing into my business period, to show you how serious I am. Like I said, and bring y'all the SGM fam the best quality at the end of the day. Like I said, with this, like with these purchases right here, you're like, that's a lot of money to be spending, but I grind. Like I said, it's nothing to me. Like I said, I make that money back real quick. And this is gonna make me, believe it or not, when you invest in yourself, it's gonna make even more. That's like if you could put you go to a casino, and every time you put $10 at a slot machine, you get back $100. How many times are you gonna do that? You're gonna do that plenty of time. I just put 1,200 into the cameras, and guess what? I'm gonna make that triple time because of my grind. Like I said, I never give up. Like, that's why I told you, if you're feeling down one day, you go to SgmCashoutKing on Facebook, like the page. Like I said, and I put motivational quotes, even if you're not joining the business, even though I'd rather you join the business. But if you don't, I got motivational quotes on it I post on a daily. Some days I miss out, but at the end of the day, you know, it'll help you get up and get on your grind. But anyways, like I said, I got these cameras for the channel, and like I said, I'm gonna be testing them out. So once I get it, the settings and everything how I want, and the memory card, you're gonna notice the better quality and everything that I'm doing. Like I said, I'll be right back when that payment drops. Okay, I'm back. As you can see in my email right there, Prize Rebel has processed my payment. Let's go to the process payment, where you can see from Prize Rebel itself, right there. It shows you that your reward request has been processed. As you can see right there, $10 has been sent to my PayPal. But there's also another email, the one from PayPal, that I received the payment. As you can see, Angelic, whatever it's called, have you ever received $10? That's Prize Rebel, as you can see right there. The transaction ID, today's the 18th. Like I said, and there's go to $10, money received, $10 right there. Let me close this. This is part of my routine, so I can show you the date. Even though I processed it yesterday, as you can see, it's the 18th. The following day, it's 24 hours or whatever. So now, as you can see, the payment again, $10. So you know my routine. You've been watching me for a while. You already know. It's going to PayPal. It's probably gonna ask me to borrow my finger. So it has. So there go my finger. So you can see it loading right there. All right. See activity. Cha-ching! And there it is. As you can see, Angelic, $10 from Prize Rebel, as you can see on the 18th up top right there. So now you know they go to payment proof right there. As I always show you payment proof, I just want to do a quick cash out, like I said, just to show you how it pays out. So just get on your grind, man. Like I said, 2018, don't bring what you was doing in 2017 to 2018. Don't get into a resolution where you want to work out or you want to change, you know what I'm saying, your job or whatever you was trying to do to change whatever you was trying to change. Like I said, don't start and then don't finish, because that's what a lot of people do. So like I said, just get on your grind. Like I said, don't quit, and just go get at it aggressively. And that's it, man. And then you should be in a different level than what you was last month or last year. Like I said, make goals, write them down, and set a realistic time, and you should be all right. Like I said, if y'all need any motivation, go to my pages, contact me, and you know, if we could chop it up, we'll chop it up. But anyways, the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.